Alright, first day in Hualien. Got here last night. Today was my first day. I was going to do a hike, but it's going to sound ridiculous, but I had no clothes. They were all dirty, they needed washing. I desperately needed a laundry day. So I had to just write this day off as a washing day and plan for the next few days. And it's a good thing I did, actually, because now you have to apply for some of the hikes here. And there was an earthquake a couple of days ago, so some of them are closed. However, one of them opened, they have to apply for on Wednesday. And the person at the hostel said, this one's open, you can apply for it on Wednesday, which is 2 days away. So I'm like, okay, sweet. So I've applied for that. And that's supposed to be one of the best ones to do. I'm going to do the hike tomorrow as well.
So today I'm going hiking, going up Taroko National Park, the first hike. I'm with this Australian guy who I met in Taipei, and we've rented scooters, so we're going to ride up there and then hike up from there. First time on a scooter, so hopefully it's okay. It's supposed to be like a 6-hour hike, but I finally got new shoes. Look at these, got some grip as well, so they're good for hiking, but they're also they're like my others, which is what I wanted. Finally, new shoes, no hole.
Okay, so we've been doing this hike for 40 minutes. So far it's just stairs. But Andre here said that 100 meters to the next trail. Thank goodness. As you can see, I'm drenched again. What the heck is that thing? I don't know. It's super loud. And that sound you could hear, and that one, that's the wild tree penguin. And the wild tree duck. Native to the rainforest. And here, there's a rope to pull yourself up. It's so steep. Oh my gosh. Okay, we're 1k left to the top, at least. I think it's to the top. I'm exhausted. Haven't seen anyone for a while. What is humbling though is when you pass an old man or woman, either slightly overweight or they've got like a big board on their back, and you're just like, you're exhausted, and you're just like, power to you, because wow, humbling, very. Look at this, I thought we were close. We started here. We're here, we've got to go here, and then all the way down here. So we hike through here, and then we come to this man-made fence. Basically, obviously, no entry.
Pretty serious.
But this is definitely the way, so we're just gonna, barbed wire and everything. But this is definitely the way, so we just gotta get through. Ridiculous.
So green. Love it.
Down there we have the church. That's a Paradox Church branch right there for the 12 people that live on top of the mountain.
I need a bag of rice. My camera. Yeah, to like.
Ale póki co nie mam. jak wczoraj siedziałam.
Flip it. Can't even hear my own thoughts. It must be mating season. Like, seriously. See if you can see these leaping spiders on the video.
Maybe they're grasshoppers. But
No.
they look like spiders.
No, they're definitely spiders.
Yeah?
Yeah, because they've got 8 legs. They like crouch up and then... I hope I can get these. There's just loads of them. They just jump. Loads of them. We made it down, pretty much. We're on the ground level at least. Still got another like 4k to go, but it's easy from now on. Thank goodness. 'Cause that was a hike. That was a hike. Hmm.
So beautiful.
We made it. They said 6 to 8 hours. It was actually 4 hours and yeah, 4 hours 15 minutes. So killed it really. These are the bikes we've been riding around today. Pretty cool with Andre the Giant. Yeah, it was fun. It's been fun. So, riding those scooters is super weird because it just doesn't feel right riding without like a seatbelt or some kind of restraint. You're just very free. Anyway, I just went and had a foot massage. Oh my gosh, 50 minutes. That was amazing. I needed that. She was really going hard as well on my feet, like really going hard, working out all those years of basketball obviously. She was finding all of these the hard spots and just kneading them out. Yeesh. Right, so we're here, hike number 2, day number 2, the old trail, and I don't know if you can see, but I'm on I'm very high up on this very kind of rickety bridge with Andre again. It's very nice views, but Andre stopped. So, right, 5 minutes in, and Andre already has his top off. Any excuse, I tell you. Any excuse. As you can hear, the insects are having an absolute rave again. Insane. Look at this fence. That's not stopping anyone. You can easily go down there. Yeah, no thanks. Big appearance on the vlog. Zero restraints on this side. So this hike is supposed to have a permit because it's thin and steep. It hasn't really been so far, but it is now. This is
is the restraint. Now there is no restraint. And it's just a straight drop. Look at this drop. Look at this. Oh.
We made it up and the views are amazing. That was one of the best hikes and the best mountains and the views that I've seen from any of the hikes I've done so far. Like it was really just an amazing view, amazing sight. And it was also definitely the most dangerous hike I've ever done. Did you see the ledge that I showed? Like it was so thin. And there's no barrier, you can easily just fall off the edge of the cliff. And if you fall, you're falling for a while. So now we're heading down.
It's funny how I thought that this bridge was dangerous after where we've just been. So we've been up to that bridge up there. And I'm pretty sure, yeah, and then we went all the way up there. Another bridge. Another bridge.
We have found the hot springs. Yeah. We entered a place that was closed. Weren't supposed to come down. Yeah, you can tell the stairs are very eroded. You have to basically pull yourself down on the rope, but yeah, it's very hot. I don't know if you've been near hot springs before, but it smells like egg. Sulfur, yeah. It smells like egg. Yeah, it's very hot up here. Nice views. End game debut day. First dates came out. It hasn't even came out in the UK yet. Some of my friends are going to the midnight screening tonight. However, it is out today in Taiwan, so I'm going to go and see it. Got the 8 PM screening. So yeah, I just rode out here on the bike. Navigating is hard because you have to just plug your headphones in and try and listen to the navigation more than anything else. But yeah, I'm excited. It should be good. 3 hours. So it's a long one. Let's do it. They have a huge Supreme container, which is just regular. However, probably because it has that on, worth £1 million. And they have a Supreme shop as well. Let's have a look in the Supreme shop. Look, that'll be worth £1 million. that, yeah, that'll be worth a million quid at a Supreme on. Crazy. So that was insane. That was such a good film. Like, I'm gonna need to watch it again at least one more time, probably twice. Flip it heck, such an amazing film. Just wow. The part when Batman came in and saved the day, didn't see that coming. DC crossing in there, did not see that coming. When he killed Thanos with one of his batarangs, that's all it took. Surprising.